Hi, and welcome to Cedar Mini. We are a mum and bub duo documenting our creative play and art journey together. We show you simple and budget-friendly ideas to foster yours and your child's imagination. Come and see what we're making today. Today, I thought I'd show you some items in our craft kit, as well as some items I've recently purchased from Officeworks. During the time of filming of this episode, New South Wales was still in lockdown, so I did my shopping via click and collect. Let's take a look at what we've bought. I have added prices as well, just in case you were wondering how much things cost. These are magic noodles, which can be great for a sensory or intentional teaching activity like counting or sorting, but we can also use them for a craft. Next, we didn't have googly eyes for our green sheep activities, so I thought I'd buy a pack of those. They're always good fun. And with Halloween coming up, we can add these to some of our spooky crafts. I bought these wooden people for play, but we can also spruce them up and paint them for another craft idea. These assorted counters were really cute. I needed a stack of colorful paper for some collages I'm working on with my other creative account. Crepe paper for a different texture for our collages. And fluoro paint to add to our small paint selection. Tip: if you would like to buy colored paper for crafts, I suggest buying this assorted construction green instead of your normal A4 sheets, because they are half the price and they are actually a heavier type of paper. And finally, a butcher's paper pad as Minnie's art canvas. I thought I'd take you through our art drawers as well and share some of the supplies we work with. I'm trying to use up most of the supplies that I've had for years. We have, and some you've seen in other videos, pouring paints, a marbling kit, Crayola washable paints, and acrylic paints from Kmart. We have a stash of mixed textures. These were getting thrown out from an old workplace and they were practically new. So I took a bag full and kept them for random projects. In addition to those textures, I also bought and have been given some other drawing tools that are begging to be used. We have Crayola textures, felt tip textures, fine felt tip textures, a collection of drawing tools from uni days, and watercolor pencils. Finally, I have again a very old set of watercolors that are still remarkably doing their job, and a random purchase of a calligraphy set. In the next month, I will attempt to use most of these items and create daily markings that I hope to share over my Instagram account. Follow me at Cedar Catalog. It'll all be part of the journey of trying to find my creative style. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you next week. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun with Cedar Mini. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and our WordPress blog at Cedar Mini.